Hey everyone, it's Wayne Lee. I'm just sitting out here in my backyard, getting a nice little breeze. Going to do this video Miss Kim asked me to do for her. I wrote a quick article for her, the best tools on the job, which is our ears, our eyes, and for this purpose, it's our hands. So that's what this video is going to be about. So if you hear a car go by, it's real life, folks. I'm sitting out here in the backyard. Um, Truth be told, my mentors told me the best tools on the job are your ears, eyes, and hands. And I realize I am 63 years old and arthritis is setting in, but I neglected my hands. And that's my own fault. I've had carpal tunnel, trigger finger. I've had carpal tunnel, 2 trigger finger releases. And my recent surgery is Dupuytren's contraction. And what that is where the scar tissue builds up around your palms, which builds up into your tendons and won't allow your fingers to extend out. Now, my fingers don't extend out 100%, but 4 or 5 months ago, that's as far as I could bring them in. That was it. I could not get down on the floor flat to do a push-up. Couldn't get down on the floor flat to do any work. So I always kept my hands folded, and I used my knuckles and my hands here to get up on both hands. So now you can see the neglect on the knuckles and obviously the calluses that are developed on our hands. So that just comes with the trade. When the doctor looked at my hands, he knew right away that I was in some form of building, construction, working with my hands on a regular basis. But what I've done to ease a lot of the pain and discomfort are simple exercises, which just you can sit anywhere, and all I do is stretch them, push them around. Just do this as often as I can. If I'm sitting at a stoplight, I'll start stretching my hands. I'll push back on both sides. I'll bring my wrist in. Now, this is the worst hand. Why, I don't know. I'm dominantly right-handed, but 4 months ago, I couldn't bend my wrist down this far, nor could it would go back. I could get my fingers much straighter after the surgery, and I'm starting to be able to make a fist again. So both hands will not close 100% because of the arthritis in the knuckles. You can see how they're starting to bend and twist, and I got giant nodules on all the knuckles all the way through. So just be ready to take care of your hands. These exercises make a big difference. This is one that really helped me a lot. Just the simplicity of touching your fingers. Now, if you notice, I can't touch the pinky and the thumb together on either hand. But truthfully, about 5, 6 months ago, I couldn't touch my ring finger and my thumb together. So it is working. It doesn't seem like much, but it goes a long way. You just sit there and do these exercises, and it helps. Massaging goes a long way. Massage the inside of your palms. That helps to stretch the tendons, make them extend out a little bit. One thing I do when I work in the inside of my palm, if you'll notice, I'll grab my wrist and I'll fold it back at the same time so that I'm working that tendons, and there are right up through your palm there. I'll do both sides, and that really helps to really release and allow those tendons to expand and then contract, expand and contract. So keep that in mind. Like I said, this is as far as they go together, but the arthritis and the inflammation make a big difference. Some things I'm learning. Your diet has a tremendous impact on the way our bodies retain information. So fast foods, processed foods, those types of foods they're just not good for us. And I know it's easy on the trades to get a burger and a fry and keep on going through the day. Uh, Ease up on the processed foods, start eating a lot healthier, and it'll make a big difference. Also, I'm going to just caution you on the over-the-counter ibuprofens, Tylenols, Advils, all those medications. They do help, and yes, they do reduce the inflammation, but those are short-term corrections. So be careful, because it'll warn you, and even your doctor will warn you, that extended use of these items can affect your liver and your kidneys. So Read the labels, follow your doctor's recommendations, and just try to find ways to eliminate the discomfort. And yes, doing these exercises has helped the discomfort for me. My hands still hurt. They're going to get better. I still have quite a bit of swelling through the palm here after the surgery, and it's been a number of months. The doctor told me to take my wedding ring off for surgery. It's been 42 years since I haven't had a ring on this finger. He said my finger will not be the same size, and he's correct. I just had it measured last week. I was a 10 and a half. Now I'm up to a 12 and a half. So I'm hoping that'll drop down, but it makes a big difference. So just keep doing these exercises, working your wrists, working your arms, your hands, all that. Just take the extra minute to do it because it goes a long way. Hopefully this is helpful.